Cardano basically is a mid-positioned coin with the ticker ADA that for the most part has a kind of present worth of $0.600747 and a market capitalization of $21,229,767,545. Digital currencies have truly lengthy past the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. These days, it's a resource class that for the most part is considerably controlled and, surprisingly, took on as lawful delicate, which in every practical sense is very huge. Some in every practical sense, huge venture banks even in a real sense, gain Cardano and especially other digital forms of money all at once to by and large safeguard their resources under administration, against a jogging expansion that handicaps the customary monetary business sectors in an exceptionally significant manner. Presently, now is the ideal time to essentially uncover our short, mid, and sort of long-haul forecast of the advancements on the ADA market that truly depend on the readings of our by and large novel crypto unpredictability file that explicitly assists us with measuring the market feeling and for the most part expect where in which the market means to go, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. At this point, the cost of Cardano essentially is $0.600747, while the coin at present most certainly winds up at 8th spot in the genuinely by and large positioning, or so they by and large thought. The said essentially positioning generally is assessed based on the resource's current value, that especially is increased by its genuinely current market capitalization, a recipe that generally is applied all through every single monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients truly get the most pertinent information in regards to the presentation of computerized assets in their portfolios in a significant way. It's likewise vital to, in every practical sense, consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing in an unobtrusive manner. On December 18, the cost of Cardano was at $0.580161 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change basically added up to 7.31%, which generally is genuinely huge. 7 days prior, on December 12, ADA really was esteemed at $0.550322, which in every practical sense truly intends that from that point forward, the cost by and large has sort of varied by 0%, which for the most part is very huge. A month prior, on November 19, the market member laid out the cost of Cardano at $0.377696. In this manner, the coin by and large has taken a 59.06% action to sort of arrive at its especially present standings, which certainly is genuinely huge. Notwithstanding, as currently made sense of, the cost of Cardano isn't the main certainly factor that we generally consider while making the cost expectation in a fundamentally significant manner. It's likewise critical to keep a truly sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to, for the most part, have a truly clear perspective on where the market in every practical sense is going, which sort of is genuinely huge. The examination of market capitalization explicitly conveys most certainly equivalent significance in both digital money and customary business sectors in an unpretentious manner. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology explicitly is utilized to by and large decide the truly generally speaking position and fame of computerized resources and stocks, for example, which is very critical. Changes in market capitalization truly sure or especially negative fundamentally are likewise demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could in a real sense head, as well as the resource's sort of potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both essentially short and sort of long-haul viewpoints in a huge manner. This specific truly metric basically is additionally used to check the strength of Cardano, corresponding to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation. To basically decide the especially current market capitalization of ADA, we generally increase the flowing stock, the boundary that will be truly made sense of later, by the by and large present worth of the digital money under survey, which truly is genuinely critical. Starting today, the market capitalization of Cardano generally remains at $21,229,767,545, which shapes the reason for truly present positioning really was referenced before, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Yesterday, on December 18, ADA generally had a market capitalization of $20,500,352,966, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Keep going week. On December 12, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $19,440 620 053, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. A month prior, on November 19, the market worth of Cardano was surveyed to truly be $13,324 540 302, which by and large shows that our administration continually screens into progressions in these three regions so our clients in every practical sense get the most pertinent information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets and their portfolios. Absolute Stockpile considers the quantity of coins that have previously been delivered by different means, for example, through mining, or so they explicitly thought. These digital currencies can basically be utilized either for dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers, sort of additional appearance. How starting today, the market capitalization of Cardano certainly remains at $21,229 767 545. Which frames the reason for certainly present commonly positioning was referenced before in an unpretentious manner. This essentially metric additionally considers the coins that have been gotten rid of through the cycle called consuming, which most certainly is applied to control the expansion rate, in opposition to prevalent thinking. At this point, the very complete stockpile of Cardano is laid out at 36,454 694 074 ADA in a genuinely significant manner. Finally, the circling supply is utilized to truly work out the market capitalization and evaluate the coin's current remaining in the positions, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. It means the really generally measure of ADA that truly is buy and buy exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that basically are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly explicitly put unavailable for general use out of the blue in an unpretentious manner. It's by and large in a real sense accepted that digital currencies that especially have a circling supply between 60 million and 150 million truly are the most appropriate for all things considered, long-haul speculation, since they for the most part are generally commonly liable to fundamentally see the value in esteem over a lengthy timeframe, perhaps many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. At this crossroads, Cardano basically has a circling supply of 35,338 970 153 coins in an extremely significant manner. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ADA arrived at the place of $737 447 308, which truly is very critical. Yesterday, on December 18, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame especially remained at $559 853 127, exhibiting at this point the complete stock of Cardano in a real sense is laid out at 36,454 694 074 ADA, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. 7 days prior, on December 12, how much ADA that especially was traded between market members in every practical sense was assessed at $1,313 586 116 in an unpretentious manner.